Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're gonna learn if you should panic over learning limited or not. This is a question that I get a lot and people get intimidated by this color of learning limited and they think that their ads are gonna do worse and stuff. You have to understand that the Meta platform is built in a way that's gonna propose you things that are gonna make you spend more. We have talked a lot about learning limited and from where it's coming from. Basically, the idea is that you're having your ads through learning phase and then they are going outside the learning phase and they're having better results. This is not true and I have proven it in several videos in a way that the learning phase is just another myth that is gonna make you spend more. What is the way that the learning phase is working? It says that in order for you to be able to exit the learning phase, you need to have 50 of the events that you're optimizing for. If you're optimizing for add to cards, 50 events in the attribution setting that you are having. Like for example, the 7 days click, 1 day view. So in these 7 days, you need to have 50 add to cards. Of course, I'm proposing you for the sake of the data to have 7 days click, 1 day view, more data to optimize inside the ad. And of course, I'm proposing you to optimize for purchases and nothing else because this is what is the most efficient thing to do when you're running ads. The algorithm needs to optimize based on what you actually want and not based on another event that's not gonna help you have more sales in this specific example. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. First of all, let me clarify that they are just businesses that they have small budgets and they will never exit the learning phase. Are they gonna be always unprofitable? No, they could be easily profitable without any problem even if they don't exit the learning phase. Secondly, I need to clarify that there are ad sets that they exit the learning phase with less events. It's not always necessary to have 50 events. I have seen it happening with less events. I don't know what are the criteria like AOV or the way that it can exit with less events, but for sure I have seen it happening. Have I seen differences after exiting the learning phase with the ads that they exit the learning phase comparing to the others that they don't? The answer is no. They don't hold longer, they don't have better results. I haven't seen anything noticeable that is gonna make you feel like you have to pass the learning phase. The only thing that I have seen is people actually stressing over it.
Oh God, it's happening right now.
At the end of the day, spending more money trying to pass the learning phase, ruining the results. So it's kinda a little bit of suicidal if you think of it, that they're proposing you to spend more, and sometimes if you cannot spend more, this is gonna ruin your campaign. And while you're trying to make your campaign exit the learning phase and do better, you're actually gonna end up ruining it. So this is another way for them to make you spend a little bit more, even if you're having less profits, a little bit more, just to exit the learning phase. Don't care about the learning phase. Let's go into my PC, show you one ad account with learning limited and understand that it has nothing to do with results. And this is something that should not make you panic. It's not gonna be a long video. I just wanna show you the madness of this. So here we have some ad sets from different campaigns. And you can see over here, for example, that we don't have in the last 7 days 50 events. Okay, here we have 34. Here we have 27, 11. Okay, but this one that has 21 is on learning limited, while these ones are having 27 and 34 are still on learning. And this one that has 7 and 11, it's still. So this is clearly a way for them to make me spend more over here. Am I going to spend more? Yes, but not for this reason. The reason is that it's doing exceptionally well. So what am I going to do is I'm gonna increase it, but I'm not increasing it because I wanna pass the learning limited. I'm increasing it because I have very good results with it. Okay, so as you can see over here, we're having a very good account here with good results. We have learning limited, we have learning. This doesn't mean that if we don't have passing the learning phase that they're not gonna be profitable for our ad account. In case you're wondering how an ad that passed the learning phase is looking, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna say active, it's not gonna say learning limited or whatever. But let me show you something else. Just to debunk all of this, you can see last 7 days, 41 purchases, we don't have 50 events and it passed the learning phase. I mean, all of this means that they're not serious about it, you know. If they cared so much about the learning phase, as you can see here, we are an account that's doing lead generation with contact forms and stuff. So you can see that we don't have the 50 events, still they're passing the learning phase. Let me actually make sure. You see this one with 7, it's actually past the learning phase. This one with 3 is learning limited. I don't think that it really matters, but the other thing that I want to show you is that over here, for example, they tell you scale. One of the major things that they say about the learning phase is that if you scale more than 20%, basically you are gonna go back to the learning phase, okay? Which is a bad thing. So over here, they tell you to scale, but when it comes to scaling, they don't care about the 20%. Here, they don't propose you only scale by 20%. By the way, here they say edit your budget to that, so they don't respect that. It's like they're telling you go back to learning phase. And if you see here, by the way, this is the most funny part of all, they're telling you that you're gonna scale and you're gonna have higher cost per result. So basically, they're not telling you anything. They're telling you that you're gonna scale and it's gonna get, your cost per result is gonna get worse. I just find it really funny when I watch it every time. So here, they're even on the smaller projection over here, they're not respecting the 20% so that you won't go back to the learning phase. And this is for me one of the biggest proof that the learning phase is just a lie for them to be able to make you spend more or make you be afraid, you know, and all of that. Don't care about the learning phase or the learning limited and all of that. Just keep watching your results and what kind of results you can have, and you are just gonna be fine, as many others have been, because they don't have enormous budgets to spend so that they can have 50 events per week in each one of their campaigns. So don't worry about it, and I will see you for the closing of the video. Again, theory, reality. Which one is better? In my opinion, it's reality, and showing you ad accounts and proving to you that you don't need it, it's something really important. At the end of the day, I want you to understand that even if they are lying, eventually people are gonna catch up. So if they see learning limited, they leave it, and then they see that there are no consequences, eventually they're not gonna believe their learning limited or the learning phase thing that's gonna help them have better results. Is it part of the optimization? For sure. Is it important? For sure. Is it gonna dictate if you're gonna be profitable or not? No, it's not gonna dictate. And spending more money a lot of times is gonna make your results even worse if you have a weak ad account or a weak pixel. So don't bother with that and just see the results that you're actually having inside the campaigns, of course, but also in an Excel worksheet that you're going to be able to see your profits daily so that you can spot if you're profitable or not in reality. In any case, don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course where the learning phase or other things are being explained in more details with more ad accounts, with more videos, with more whiteboard videos and everything from beginner to super advanced information, always updating the course with new information for you and to keep it updated because it is the best meta ads course in the world and I want to keep it being the best meta ads course in the world, at least for me and my mom and some other friends. If you want to check it, there is gonna be a link in the description. You can go and see my free course so that you can see how it feels, if you like it or not. And you can check also all the reviews in Trustpilot. I have also my mentorship programs, 2005. We will have to see if you have the right spend, mentality and all of that to join. And if we're a good fit, who knows, maybe we can do daily calls together, helping you on your ad accounts and showing you also my ad accounts daily so that I can teach you ads in the best possible way. Huge success with the program in the last Q4. Everybody made a lot of money, which makes him happy. It is an expensive program, but it gives also very good results. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.